What is your name?
Hi, I'm Karis.
I heard you dissected brains. What was that about?
So that was anatomy class. Basically our teacher gave us a bunch of, I think they were cow brains. There was a whole debate going on whether they were cow or like sheep brains, but pretty sure they were cow brains. But it was really gross because we had to dissect them.
Did you have fun?
Not really. Wasn't my favorite thing. I know some people did though.
Did you learn anything from this?
Oh yeah, lots of stuff. Anatomy is a very good class. I really like our teacher.
What's your name and what's your Halloween costume?
I'm John Shewitt, and I went as Donald Trump because I had an extra suit that I needed to use.
I'm Tyler Lubinsky, and then I had a hot dog. Okay.
What's your name and what's your Halloween costume?
I'm Sophia, and I'm Soldier Boy. I chose this because it's tough, and I was gonna be 6 and 7, but I couldn't find anything for it.
I'm Annika, and I'm the basketball player because that's all I could find. Okay, and I'm Abby, and I'm a frat boy because I wanted to go to the match with my friend.
What's your name and what's your Halloween costume?
I'm Officer Mills. I was Wario from Mario Kart. I lost my mustache in my cart though.
What's your name and what's your Halloween costume?
My name is Alex Quackenbush, and my Halloween costume is Suguru Gato from Jujutsu Kaisen. And I decided I wanted to pick this character because most of my friends wanted to do this group dress-up thing, and Gato was just an easy character I could pick. So I dyed my hair, and I bought the outfit, and I think it worked out pretty nicely.
What's your name and what's your Halloween costume?
My name is Paige Netto, and my Halloween costume is Frat Boy. And I chose Frat Boy because it was last minute.
My name's Noelle Roy, and I'm Steez because Steez is not just a costume to me, it's a lifestyle.
What's your name and what's your Halloween costume?
I'm Santa. My Halloween costume is Panda. So I like Panda. When I was elementary school, I was Panda even on Zoo. So then I like Panda.
What's your name and what's your Halloween costume?
My name is Miss Lund, and I am dressed up as Vector from Despicable Me.
What's your name and what's your Halloween costume and why'd you choose it?
My name is Karis. My Halloween costume is a milk carton, and I chose it because it was in my closet, and I wore it 2 years ago, but no one knew that I wore it 2 years ago, so yeah.
What's your name and what's your Halloween costume?
I'm Mrs. Scullion. I'm Waluigi. I am part of a group of 5 of us in the office who were members of Mario Kart.